Hey, how you doing, bros? Welcome back to my casual Japanese shadowing series, brother. Today we're gonna do this sentence right here. ずっと気になってたんだけどさ、スキビリトイレットって何？ずっと気になってたんだけどさ、スキビリトイレットって何？ Well, I'll break down everything for you, and after that, let's do shadowing practice, bro. So, first phrase, ずっと. This means forever, for a long time. And after that, I say 気になってた, which means I was curious about something. Something が気になってた. I was curious about something. So, this 気になってた, this comes from a word 気になる, which means like something is grabbing your attentions. You know what I'm saying? Like something が気になる. And after that I say んだけど means like but or though. You know what I'm saying? This making this sentence very, very casual and natural. Japanese people love saying this, bro. You know what I'm saying? Believe me. Especially in the middle of the sentences. Something だけど. And then I say さあ. This one is used a lot. It's just a filler word, so it doesn't have any specific meaning to it, but it's very, very casual. It sounds like, so, And most importantly, it's adding the casual vibes. And after that, I say Skibidi toilet, which I don't have a fucking clue what the fuck it is. You know what I'm saying? I've heard this a lot, but still, I don't understand the meaning at all. So y'all gotta let me know that. And then I said, te nani? This is a very, very casual way of asking, what is something? Te nani? What is something? Skibidi toilet. Te nani? What is skibidi toilet? So now, since we've been through all these words and phrases in this sentence, let's do shadowing. ずっと気になってたんだけどさ、スキビリトイレットって何？ずっと気になってたんだけどさ、スキビリトイレットって何？ずっと気になってたんだけどさ、スキビリトイレットって何？ You did a great job, brother. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and see you in the next one. またね。